50, do you remember what this one says? Do you remember the
ปีศูนย์ p ครับ
B
เรา
number?
ควรละศูนย์ the number ปี
Yeah.
ศูนย์ ปี well isn't
Well,
that what this is?
there's a number before that, a Thai number.
Oh, so what is this 0 number then?
That's 0. The 0 is 0.
Oh, they put a 0 in there, eh? So
Yes.
there's no symbol for 0, or is that the 0 symbol?
That is the 0 symbol. So 0 in Thai
that
is 0.
Oh, so
Yeah,
we
so
know
the one
it's
before.
yes, I don't know what it is because I didn't really.
Yeah, it's on the top.
I didn't memorize them, so that would be song sip,
Yeah.
song sip. I
Yisip.
wish. Oh yeah, sip. Sorry. Oh yeah, song sip.
Yeah.
20 ปีครับ เราคุณละครับ yes, okay, cool.
The only time it's really useful is if you're trying to get into a national park or something, and there's a separate price for Thai people written in Thai numbers, and you can point at it and say, no, I can read this, give me the Thai price.
Will they do it? No, they don't do that, do they?
I don't know, like probably not.
That would be good.
I think it's another level if you can read,
especially like expats that have been here forever. A couple of them I was talking recently. I told you, I've been taking a reading course. It's really great. Like I'm always raving about Gary's course.
Yeah. Oh, that's great.
And they're like, you could read. It's like, wow. It's like, Jesus.
Another level, yeah. What they don't know is that reading is actually the easiest bit.
Well, not only that, but it's so empowering. Oh my God.
Right.
I mean, I know that I'm preaching to the converted here, but it opens up a whole. So yisip ha.
Surfer on a girl, emphatic, yeah. Ha.
Happy ครับ happy.
25
oh 25 ปี 25 ปีครับ then we have คน here we go แต่งงาน working คุณแต่งงาน
well it's kind of working
แต่งงาน oh married.
Yes.
Yes, that is working.
It's another type of job apparently.
แล้วรู้ยัง or not แล้วรู้ยัง คุณแต่งงานแล้วรู้ยัง
so is a question
หรือยัง
and then
yang would be monotone.
แล้ว yeah, uncertain.
แล้วรู้ยัง หรือยัง
yeah, so it's a lot of things happening there. Yeah,
but they bombed through it at 1,000 miles an hour though. I noticed แล้วรู้ยัง in the past I'd wanted to kind of try to do it at speed, so to speak. And then then they just don't understand what I said.
Right.
But then when I really focus, even though I may sound like a kindergarten student, but they really get it. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good exercise.
Well, it's like Tai Chi, right? They do it super, super slowly, but then when they speed it up, it's lightning speed. But it's better to practice something slowly and perfect it rather than, rush through it. But yeah, when they say it, usually it's mostly monotone, except for the last, for certain things tend to stick out. I think more important words that if they want to get their point across. And then usually at the end, they enunciate the tone, at least from what I've noticed.
Well, I'm starting to get the cadence of the sentences now. It's quite nice. I'm starting to see the flow, when I look at certain sentences. Good. Okay, that's really cool. It's coming together there. It's nice to have this little space here. We don't have the luxury of that in the real language, unfortunately.
Well, I think because it's a separate sentence, they do have, at least sometimes, like sometimes when I'm chatting to people on, the shop apps, I notice that sometimes after a sentence, they'll leave like a space, or if they're making a separate point. Look, this is the balloon. So I think this.
Oh, I see. So that's fat.
Yeah,
it's a fat dead lady boy.
Looks.
Yeah, some of those I weren't sure about. The dead lady boy, whether it was skinny or fat. So, but it's good that you mentioned that. So that's a balloon. So that's big and fat. Look. Okay, cool.
And and I are all short ones, and then as soon as they add something to it, like gi, like the igloo with the chimney, that becomes a long one. So and the invisible vowel is also short.
Yeah, no, I meant emphatic. Yeah, ชอบอาหารไทยแต่ไม่ชอบเผ็ด cool. Yeah, it's
ชอบอาหารไทยแต่ไม่ช
ชอบ
อบ
อาหารไทย
เผ็ด
แต่ไม่ชอบเผ็ด
pet short one
เผ็ด
short
เผ็ด
yep yep
เผ็ด
should be easier to remember the tone for pet if you don't like spicy food because
เผ็ด
if you see a bunch of chilies in your food you're very sad because you can't eat it
that's good.
Mhm.
กินเผ็ดเป็นไหมthere's use of the word เป็น
Are you able capable
yeah, so it's a state, right? A state.
yes in this case it means like are you able to can you
Oh yeah.
กินเผ็ดเป็นไหม
เป็นไหม
so if there's something you cannot eat
right.
you say กินไม่เป็น it means you cannot eat it like maybe you're allergic to it or something and usually if you don't want something in your Thai food you should say that because they're like oh he doesn't want fish sauce in it I'll just put like what half a cup
Yeah, that's
or
right. Yeah.
so you tell them
Maypet means only 6 chilies, not
yeah
6,
exactly
not 13.
exactly so if you say it like this it means you cannot
Yeah.
eat it you're not able to eat it
Oh yeah, I'm not like okay, good.
okay
กินเผ็ดเป็นไหมเป็นไหม
uh-huh
เป็น
uh-huh
เป็นไหม
ben yeah
เป็นไหม Okay. กินเผ็ดเป็นไหม So if to say I'm not able to eat it,
mm-hmm.
I would say กินเผ็ดเป็นไม่ได้ no เป็
กินเผ็ดไม่เป็น
ไม่เป็นผมกินเผ็ดไม่เป็น
yeah กินหมูไม่เป็นกินเผ็ดไม่ได้ or ไม่เป็น there we go
ไม่เป็น very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's really cool to know. Okay.
Yeah. So cannot and not able. That's kind of what it means.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.